Everyone knows Nigerian meat pie, but have you tried it with this sweet and savory twist? Flaky golden crust, juicy beef, sweet potato and corn bustling with flavor. Stay with me because I am about to show you how to make a meat pie you will never forget. Welcome to KristyyumFoods, where we turn everyday recipes into something unforgettable. If you love tasty creative twists like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our food and active lifestyle family.
Everyone, we are about to begin. Let's go!
Let's begin with the crust. Into a bowl goes flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Now rub in cold butter until it looks like breadcrumbs. It is now looking like a breadcrumbs, just as we want it. Now crack in 1 egg. And a splash of cold water or milk and mix into a smooth dough. Now wrap and chill for 30 minutes in the fridge. This is the secret to a flaky pastry. Now for the magic inside. Let's check out some of the ingredients. We have our beef, sweet potato, sweet corn, some pepper, carrots. We will review more ingredients as we proceed. Now let's prep the sweet potato. Slice the sweet potato and then cut into tiny cubes. If minced meat is not available, you can actually use beef, and then you blend it in a blender until it is very smooth with a little water. This can serve as a minced meat for your sweet potato and sweet corn meat pie. Now heat some oil and add onions. Then the ground beef, Season with curry, thyme, salt. Some fresh pepper. And here comes the twist. Diced sweet potato goes in. A little carrot. A touch of stock or water and let it cook until tender. Now stir in sweet corn. It is time to thicken with flour. And just look at that filling, juicy, colorful and so inviting. This meat pie filling is actually very versatile. You can enjoy it with other foods apart from the pie crust, like boiled or mashed potatoes. You can enjoy it with rice, bread for sandwich style, with pasta or spaghetti. You can also enjoy it with boiled yam, plantain or cornmeal, with salad and so on. Here is our dough after 30 minutes in the fridge. It is time to build our pies. Before that, let's get our egg wash ready. For meat pie egg wash, you have two good options depending on the finish you will want. You can either use egg yolk or whole egg beaten with a little water, just like we did there, or egg white only. The egg yolk or whole egg gives the meat pie a shiny golden brown color, while the egg white only gives a glossy but slightly lighter finish, not as rich in color as the yolk. Now let's roll out our dough and form the meat pie using our meat pie cutter. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, this will be the best time for you to subscribe and join our food and active lifestyle family. Grease your pan and line the baking sheet. Let's repeat this process again for clearer picture. You can also shape your meat pie without the meat pie cutter. You can use the cover of a pot or any round material you have to form that round shape, and then cover it to the other end like that, and you can now use your fork to form the shape at the edge. Now into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes, or without oven, this you're going to bake it under low heat. This is more than just a Nigerian meat pie. It is a sweet and savory upgrade you will want to make again and again. Try it at home and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. And if you love this recipe and tips, you will find even more in my exclusive ebooks, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals and baking secrets to event planning and natural egg growth solution, plus my online classes which guides you step by step. Check the description box below and grab your ebooks or sign up for a class. Let us level up together. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious twists on your favorite recipes. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. You can also follow us on our display social media handles and let us become friends and advance together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.